What are you doing, Aveline?
Open it.
Who made you that Valentine?
You did, Mom.
I did.
Look, Mom.
Can you say fruit leather?
Fruit leather. Fruit snack. I got my gummies. Paper cup. George gummies. Cocoa milk.
What did Butter say?
Come on, we're having tea party. We all have a tea party, brothers. Twinkie. That's in the bowl.
Rubber ball.
A dinosaur.
Oh, they're tattoos. A little dinosaur. That's really cute.
Bubble.
Close to your face. There you go. There you did it!
I did it. Bubbles.
Let's see what else you got.
I got orange.
You're a cutie. Oh, that's cute.
Mom, what's this?
Oh, it's a maze.
There's a marble in it.
Yeah, you go like this. Look, you move it. I've never seen anything like that. Let me do it. What do you think?
Yeah. Can I take it out?
No, you can't take the marble out.
Yeah.
Whoa, 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 a great catch, Valentine. And a chocolate candy.
It's a heart.
Let's soar, Valentine. Go, Sky. Your name's Sky.
Sky. A unicorn. You are magical. Kitty. My joy, baby.
Tine. Oh, it's a little tattoo.
A tattoo.
A cat too. I love it. You're all tatted up.
I got two tattoos. Rainbow.
That's awesome. In the shape of a heart. Here, let's open it later.
I'm gonna open now. Look, I got rock.
You rock. You can put that in our rock collection.
Rock, hat,
Yay!
nothing.
What was your favorite one, Aveline?
The heart.
What heart?
The Play-Doh heart. Yeah, you can make a rock out of Play-Doh.
What else can you make?
Ice cream, orange, and an eye, and a heart.
An eye and a heart. And a paper bag.
Beak,
You're
bite,
weirdo.
book, leg, bike.
Silly.
Oh my God! A dinosaur tattoo! Kitty! Dinosaur!
Silly.
Kitty! Dinosaur! Kitty! Dinosaur! Bike! Bike!
Do you really want a bike? Is that why you keep saying that?